People see something like this and they think their house is built strong. It's got stone on it, it's got brick on it. It all comes apart that easy. All this stuff is nothing but a veneer. So you saw us hammering on this thing with sledgehammers and stuff earlier to pull it out. And that makes for good TV and stuff, but really when you start pulling it apart after you get that initial spot, that pry bar does a whole lot better and a whole lot faster and a lot less effort. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.